Hi, Sal. This is Brother Mac, recording a little video for you about how to use the Polaroid camera that I'm sending you. I apologize, it's a little late for your birthday and a little early for Christmas, but I guess you could look at it as a Halloween or a All Saints Day or a Festival of the Day of the Dead gift. It's right here. Here it is. It's called a Polaroid 600, and I'm going to run you through the operations on it, bearing in mind that you're probably watching this on a cell phone, which is why I'm talking to the camera down here and not to the one up there. Okay. So here we go. This is the viewfinder, the eyepiece that you will look through, but you won't see anything now because the camera's closed. We'll get to that. See this little switch here on the side, just below the red picture button? Okay. If you push this little switch forward, look at that. The camera opens up like a little whale, and the film goes right in here. Here's the colorful film pack, which should not be associated in any particular way with, the gay rainbow pride movement, but I don't know why not. I'm not going to take this out and load the camera for you because then it might take all the pictures and shipping, and you'd have nothing but pictures of the inside of a box. And this film is pretty expensive. It costs about $250 a shot. It's Polaroid 600 film. And the camera is a Polaroid 600. Isn't that amazing? Okay, you want to keep these little rollers clean maybe after 4 or 5 rolls of film have gone through. Take some, not rubbing alcohol, but methyl alcohol. It doesn't have any water in it. Head cleaner, and clean the rollers with a Q-tip. That keeps the rollers in good shape. The rollers are what effectively develop the film. When you've got the film in, you will push this closed with a nice snap, and the camera will spit out of this little slot here a piece of cardboard that was covering the film, and then you're ready to shoot your first picture. Now, to do that, you have to open the camera. And you do this very simply, just by taking it and pulling up. There, you see, that reveals all the guts inside. And they're pretty guts for, compared to a fish or something. Let's go over them real quick, okay? This right here is the lens. And under this, there is a little switch to make the picture, the next picture you take, either lighter or darker. It won't do anything for pictures that you've already taken and the camera has passed out. This is the viewfinder where you're looking through back here, and there's a little red light in there that says that the flash is charging, and a little green light that says that the flash is ready to take a picture. And this is the flash. Now this camera is designed to use the flash for every picture, indoors or out. Outdoors, it'll lighten the shadows on people's faces and just generally make the scene, put a little catch light in their eyes. And the flash is auto-adjusting, so you don't need to do a thing. This thing right here, this little grated metal plate, is the sonar of the camera, and this is how it focuses. It focuses not with light, but with sound waves, okay? If you shoot through a window of glass, it will focus on the glass. And there's a little button here to defeat that. But when you're ready to take a picture and you've got everything all framed up, the camera will focus automatically as you press the red button on the side here. And here's how to hold the camera. I'm just going to back off. Hold it on the bottom here. You see? I've got a good grip on it, and even if your hands are small, you girls have fingernails. You can hang on to this thing. All right. When you're ready, the film is in, the camera's open, the flash is charged, the light in the viewfinder is green. You line up your subject in the viewfinder. It's a square image, and you just push the button. Now, another ingenious thing about this camera is it never runs out of batteries because there's always a fresh battery enclosed with the film, and the camera just taps right into it. It's not a lithium battery or anything that's going to catch fire and, cause your whole airliner to crash in flames. It's just a regular alkaline battery with just enough power in it to take those 8 shots that are in the film cassette. Interesting point. When Polaroid was actually still in business and making the film for this thing, they were able to get 10 shots in the film pack. But since the Belgians took over and basically did a Lazarus number on it, they've only been able to make it thin enough to get 8 films in the film pack. So I think that for every 8 film packs you buy, they should give you another one for free. But hey, I'm a socialist. What do I know? Anyway, the camera will instantly, as soon as you've taken the film, spit the picture out of this little hole right here. There's a little black thing that covers the picture for an instant. And then you should put the picture in the shade immediately, if you can, because it's covered with a thin white layer of titanium oxide. But the sun can get through it if you're not careful. Don't shine it in direct light. And believe me, waving it around like a Polaroid will not do anything to make the picture come up faster, okay? The picture will start to come up after about a minute or 2, but it really takes 5 or 10 minutes for all the colors to fully develop, and that's when to take the picture out of your inside coat pocket, keep it warm, or, in your cleavage, I don't know. But that's keep it warm, and in 10 minutes it'll be developed, and you've got a fully beautiful Polaroid picture there. And then to close the camera, you just push down on this part. Real simple. Snapshot. Nice and tight. Camera. Oh, tripod socket on the bottom in case you ever have an inkling to put it on a tripod. I don't know why you would. Polaroid film, 8 shots, should be good, made in 2023. The whole instruction manual, which I downloaded from the internet and printed for you at great personal cost. And, like a good car dealer, I'll throw it totally free, this lens cleaner and lens cleaning cloth. Because if you get a fingerprint or, a kid with peanut butter on, jelly on their sandwich fingers touches the lens, you may need something to clean it off with better than, your dish brush. So, this is a wonderful camera, and I expect to see some good results from it, even if you have to send them to me by taking pictures of them with the cell phone. It's a good way to copy them. But just have fun with it. You can get the film at, Walmart, any big pharmacy chain, Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, whatever kooky stores you've got up in the Northeast there. Have fun with it and send me some neat pictures of all the relatives that I never get to see and who never write me. Goodbye.